Hi everyone, welcome back to Hands-Free Studying for the MBE, brought to you by Brainscape. These upcoming evidence questions cover witnesses and impeachment. All right, let's get started. Question 1. What is required for a witness to be considered competent? The witness must first take an oath to testify truthfully. Second, testify based on personal knowledge. 3, the witness must not be incapacitated. And fourth, the witness must give testimony as to facts, not opinions. Remember, under the federal rules of evidence, witnesses are presumed competent. On the MBE, be wary of answer choices that say the witness is incompetent, when instead the witness is just biased. Question 2. When is a lay witness allowed to testify as to opinions? Lay witnesses can testify as to opinions only if they are based on first-hand knowledge and rationally based on the witness's perception, helpful to clearly understanding the witness's testimony or determining a fact and issue, and lastly, not based on scientific, technical, or other specialized knowledge. Question 3. Can a judge testify as a witness? No, never. Question 4. What may a juror testify about after trial? A juror can testify about extraneous prejudicial information that was improperly brought to the jury's attention, any improper outside influences, mistakes in entering their verdict, or if there was an overt racial animus that was a significant motivating factor in the jury's decision to convict the defendant. Question 5. What is a juror prohibited from testifying about after a trial? A juror cannot testify about statements made during the jury's deliberations, about the effect of anything on a juror's vote, or any juror's mental processes concerning the verdict or indictment. Question 6. What is the process for present recollection refreshed? A witness can be shown a document to refresh his memory if, first, the witness cannot recall the answer to the question. The witness then says that seeing a particular thing will refresh their memory. And lastly, after viewing the thing, the witness testifies that their recollection is refreshed. Remember that present recollection refreshed is not an exception to hearsay and will generally not be admitted into evidence, unlike the hearsay exception, past recollection recorded. Question 7. If a party refreshes the witness's present recollection with a writing, what is the adverse party entitled to under Federal Rule of Evidence 612B? The adverse party is entitled to first, have the writing produced at the hearing. Second, they're entitled to an opportunity to inspect it. 3, they can cross-examine the witness about it. And lastly, they're entitled to introduce into evidence any portion that relates to the witness's testimony. Question 8. If privileged information is used to refresh a witness's present recollection, is the party required to comply with Federal Rule of Evidence 612B? No, most courts find that the privilege is waived and allow inspection by the adverse party. Question 9. Can inadmissible evidence be used for present recollection refreshed? Yes, you can use inadmissible hearsay or otherwise inadmissible evidence. Question 10. What is past recollection recorded? Past recollection recorded allows a witness to read a prior writing or record to the jury if, first, the witness once had personal knowledge of the writing, 2, the witness now forgets the writing, and showing the writing to the witness does not jog his or her memory, 3, the writing was made by either the witness or adopted by the witness, 4, the writing was made when the event was fresh in the witness's memory, and 5, the witness can attest that when made, the writing was accurate. Remember, this is a hearsay exception and thus can be admitted into evidence. This is unlike present recollection refreshed, which is not a hearsay exception and generally not admitted into evidence. And that's the end of your 10 flashcard study round. To reach full mastery, remember to study in Brainscape. Our mobile and web app uses the latest in spaced repetition techniques, allowing you to optimize your study time and track your progress down to the finest detail. But of course, when you're driving, cooking, exercising, or otherwise unable to navigate the app, be sure to keep listening to the rest of this hands-free studying playlist. No matter what subject you're learning and what method you're studying it, Brainscape helps you rise to your challenge.